जय माँ, सबको जय माँ। आज मैं गुजराती स्पेशलिटी बना रही हूँ, फजेतो। Fajeto is made with Aamras, mango pulp. Now, I don't know whether you know, but in Maharashtra you get pairi, which is only meant for ras. It is meant only for pulp. You can't cut it and have it as pieces, and that is available only in Maharashtra. In the UP, you don't get this mango. So we generally use that mango to make the curry, the fajeto. Now, if you don't get that kind of mango, you can take, like in Maharashtra, you get Alfonso also. And everywhere you don't get. So whatever you get in your area, your locality, you can take that mango and take out a pulp. अब pulp कैसे निकालते हैं? आम को काटिए, मिक्सर में डालिए टुकड़े and blend it. And your pulp is ready. So you have to take as much as required, not less, more is up to you. So now I will proceed and show you the whole process and you go with it. Okay. Now what we have to do is, you have to take equal measures of dahi, yogurt and mango pulp. Now mango pulp का क्या है? Either you can take रस, आम रस जो होता है वो ले सकते हैं, अल्फांसो ले सकते हैं, कोई भी आम ले सकते हैं आप. ओके, सो ये पहले मैं आई हैव टेकन द रस, जो पायरी बोलते हैं बम्बई में. सो इट इज अवेलेबल हियर. इन द नॉर्थ इट इज प्रॉब्ली नॉट अवेलेबल. आई एम टेकिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कर्ड राइट नाउ, and this is 1.5 tablespoon of besan, gram flour. So I'm adding that. Curry banani hai na, so we are doing that. And mix it nicely. There should be no lumps. Now there are some tips and tricks in this. Supposing आपका lump हो गया, then you take a sieve, छलनी, और उसमें छलनी कर दीजिए, so the lumps will be on top and everything else will come down. And if second trick you can do is put this whole mixture in the blender. दही, बेसन, सब कुछ उसमें डाल दीजिए and just blend it, so there are no lumps there. So these are some tips and tricks which you can follow if you can't do this, Now I will add the rest of the curd. So if it is 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of mango pulp you have to take, whichever aam you get. See, this is in the season, you get aam, you get mangoes, so you can pick up whatever you get in your locality, in your area. First I'm just mixing, then I shall add, see, this is the mango. So this pulp goes in, 1 cup. This is Aamras that we get. It's yummy. In Maharashtra you get it. So ये जो रस की कैरी होती है ना, रस का आम, that you cannot make pieces. You can't cut and eat it. It has to be ras. I'm not going to waste this. I will take it later with water. Mix. You can take a whisk and do it. Where is my whisk? Then what you do is take a little bit of haldi, just to give that nice color. Then you add dhania powder, coriander powder. Then you add red chilli powder. Then now this is very important. This is salt जो बोलते हैं, ginger powder. In the fajeto there is always ginger powder. So take a little bit, not too much. That's it. And add that, the ginger powder and adrak mirchi paste. As spicy or as, less spicy is up to you. Add that. Mix. And salt. Now this is what, this is a chash we are making right now. So I will add water in this. And I'll keep this घोल जो बोलते हैं, ये घोल सबसे पहले तैयार रखिए. I will add 2 cups of water in this. So 1 cup. It depends on you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि 2 ही कप होना चाहिए. It can be 3 cups, 4 cups, depends on how thin you want it, how liquidy or how thick you want your curry. इतना गाढ़ा, जैसे गुजराती बेसिकली मेक वेरी थिन कड़ी. उनकी कड़ी हमेशा बहुत पतली होती है एंड पंजाबीज की बहुत गाढ़ी होती है. सो इट इज टोटली अप टू यू. ये करने के बाद I'll mix it well. Then I am taking jaggery, गुड़. इसमें मैं डाल के रखूंगी बहुत बड़ा. And then when we put it on the flame, it will start melting. But always remember that in fajeto there is always gur, not sugar. ठीक है? So that you have to remember. Now that ghol that we have made, I put it separately because that is ready, and let it sit for some time. In the meantime, you take your pan and add ghee in it. कड़ी में घी जाता है. Then now we are doing the chalk, the tempering. Cinnamon. Take 1 big stick of cinnamon. Cinnamon is important in this. Add jeera, 1 teaspoon. Rye, 1 teaspoon. Hing, चलो हींग क्यों नहीं गिर रहा? Hing, then few cloves, long, वो डालिए. Then some red chillies, dry chillies. ठीक है? Then green chillies, as much as you require. And lots of kadhi patta. Lots. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. Now we mix. Now I'll put the flame on high, and now this tempering has to be very strong. It has to really crackle properly. Till then, don't do anything. Let the aroma come out. Let it go on crackling. Only then it will taste good. Now you drop your bowl in this. Good and everything is here. We'll need more water because it's quite thick. So that is mango water. This is mango water. With the Aamras that we took out, we've taken the water from the gutli, छिलका, उसका सबका पानी निकलता है, उसको धो के पानी रखिए. So that water you utilize. It's mango water. And add it. Because we like patla curry. We don't like it very thick. 1 minute, इसमें डालने दो. एक मिनट. And stir. Go on stirring. बेसन है ना, तो बेसन को बहुत पकाना पड़ता है और जितना कड़ेगा वो उसको बोलते हैं कड़ी. कड़ी कड़नी चाहिए. So let it go on boiling. And fajeta is like I think I've already told you, it's a speciality in Gujarat. You will find fajeto in the month of summer when the mangoes are available. You will find every Gujarati home making fajeto, and it's delicious. So people actually say, "Oh, are you making fajeto? Can we come over?" So it's that popular. It's a speciality of Gujarat. So every home, once a week, they will definitely make fajeto. So this is that fajeto. Now, if it becomes slightly thicker, गाढ़ा अगर होता है, तो I will add more water, hot water, not cold water. So I will come back once it boils. See, it's boiling now. What I have done is I added a little more water. समझो 1-2 कप और डाला है, because we like our curry to be thin, on the thinner side, not गाढ़ा. So maybe in this kind of measurement, you can take about 4 to 5 cups of water if you take this measurement. And if you want gaada, if you want thicker, then you don't add. But we like it this way and it's yummy. Add little dhania on top. अब ये कड़ी है ना, इसको कड़ने दीजिए, ठीक है. अभी it's just come to one boil, but you go on boiling for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. Then your curry is ready, not before that. ठीक है. जय माँ. देखा आपने कितनी बढ़िया कड़ी बनी है. आप टेस्ट करेंगे तो पता चलेगा. इट्स रियली डिलिशियस. मीठी है, आमरस है तो नेचुरली मीठा है, पर फजेतो इज वेरी पॉपुलर. सो ट्राई इट एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. जय माँ.